Hello, my name is Cade Barber. Welcome to the 2023 Veterans Day Assembly. At this time, please make sure all phones are on silent. Veterans Day is a day meant to honor and show respect to all who served our country in the military. In 1918, Day was commemorated to celebrate the armistice signed between the Allies and Germany for the cessation of hostilities at the end of World War I. It is celebrated at the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. It was renamed Veterans Day in 1954. Please rise and remove your hats for the singing of our national anthem.
Please join me in the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
You may be seated.
On this Memorial Day celebration, we honor the fallen soldier. This table is reserved to honor our brave and selfless American military members who have perished on the battlefield, those who have not been returned to us after being taken prisoner on foreign soil, and for those who went missing and have not found their way back home. The table is round to show our everlasting concern for our fallen and our missing. The white tablecloth symbolizing the purity of their intentions to respond to their call of duty. The table set for one is small, symbolizing the frailty of one prisoner alone against his or her suppressors. The vase is tied with a red ribbon, a symbol of our continued determination to remember our fallen and find our missing. The single red rose reminds us of the lives of each of our fallen and the loved ones and friends who miss them each and every day. A pinch of salt symbolizes the tears endured by the friends and families of those who have fallen and of those who have not returned. The inverted wine glass they cannot toast with us at this time. The empty chair represents the ones that are no longer with us. The Bible represents the strength gained through faith to sustain us and those lost from our country, founded as one nation under God. The candle is reminiscent of the light of hope which lives in our hearts to illuminate their way home from their captors to the open arms of a grateful nation. This is the fallen soldier table, to forever remember and honor our lost and fallen, so their memory may live on even though they are not with us.
At this time, we would like to recognize our Cedar Ridge employees who are veterans. These local heroes have looked beyond their community to serve our country. The Beta Club has collected donations from local businesses including Moore's Dairy Cream, Home Depot, Pet Sense, Newark Pharmacy, Two Chicks Florist, Laney May Clothing Co., Tractor Supply Co., Freddy's, Subway, Nova Joe's, Planet Smoothie, Subway, Karina's Place, Murchison and Planters Bank, Nadley's, Fred's Fish House, Unlimited Styles, and Harps. So as you call your name, please stand. Mr. Gene Cook. Mr. Joshua McAnally. Mr. Tristan Overton. Mr. Michael Sutton. Mr. David Ward. And Mr. Nolan Willett. Thank you for your service. We would also like to thank all veterans present, so please stand. Thank you for your service.
This song that we're going to sing is a medley of songs from the branches of our armed forces. Each one is going to be announced, and when it's announced, if you are a part of that branch, you're a veteran, would you please stand and be recognized at that time?
The United States Army. The United States Marines. States Navy. United States Coast Guard.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and honored veterans, we gather here today on this solemn occasion to pay tribute to the brave women and men who have selflessly served our nation. Veterans Day is a time for us to express our deepest gratitude for the sacrifices made by these heroes in the defense of our freedom and the pursuit of peace. As we reflect upon the unwavering dedication and resilience, let us also remember the freedom is not free, and it is the valor of our veterans that has safeguarded the liberties we hold dear. Today we come together as a nation and a community to say thank you and to honor the indomitable spirit that has defined our veterans, inspiring us all to stand united in the face of adversity. May we never forget the debt of gratitude we owe to these extraordinary individuals. It is my honor to introduce our guest speaker today, Staff Sergeant Vanessa Wagner. Staff Sergeant Vanessa Wagner, originally from Bogota, Colombia, has dedicated 7 years to service in the U.S. Air Force. She began her journey as an avionics technician and later achieved her dream job as an Air Force recruiter for Northwest Arkansas. Her passion lies in motivating the younger generation to pursue their best selves through the opportunities offered by the United States Air Force. Please join me in welcoming Staff Sergeant Vanessa Wagner.
Ladies and gentlemen, teachers and fellow students of Cedar Ridge High School, I am grateful for today's opportunity of speaking on behalf of all our military branches. Today, we gather to pay tribute to the extraordinary men and women who have selflessly served in the United States Armed Forces. Veterans Day is an occasion to recognize and commemorate the unwavering dedication, valor, and sacrifice of those who have defended our great nation and the precious freedoms we hold dear. It is also an opportunity to reflect on the profound impact of all 6 branches of our military, each with a unique history and pivotal role in our country's story. The United States Army, our oldest and largest branch, has been guardian of our nation's security since birth. The United States Navy, often renowned as the Silent Service, has protected our shores and American oceans for over 2 centuries. The United States Marine Corps, the few and the proud, stand as a symbol of honor, duty, and sacrifice. The United States Air Force and Space Force have been pivotal in maintaining our dominance in the skies. Airmen have led the way in technology, innovating with security through aerial and space warfare, as well as providing humanitarian aid in times of crisis. Finally, the United States Coast Guard, tasked with safeguarding our coastlines and maritime interests. On Veterans Day, we remember that freedom is a precious gift, and it is safeguarded and preserved by the sacrifices of countless individuals representing these branches of our military. The service and sacrifices have made our nation strong, free, and proud. We are eternally thankful for the dedication to preserving our freedom. Thank you, and may you all have a meaningful Veterans Day.
We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America.
The portion of the flag donating honor of the canton of blue containing the stars representing states our veterans served in uniform. The field of blue dresses from left to right and is inverted only when draped as a funeral cloth over the casket of a veteran who has served our country honorably in uniform. In the U.S. Armed Forces, at ceremony of retreat, the flag is lowered, folded in a triangle, and kept under watch throughout the night as a tribute to our nation's honored dead. The next morning it is brought out and at a ceremony of reveille, flown high as a symbol of belief in the resurrection of the body. The flag folding ceremony represents the same religious principles on which our great country was originally founded. The first fold of our flag is a symbol of life. The second fold is a symbol of our belief in eternal life. The third fold is made in honor and remembrance of the veterans departing our ranks and who gave a portion of his or her life for the defense of our country to attain peace throughout the world. The fourth fold represents our weaker nature. As American citizens trusting in God, it is in Him we turn to in times of peace, as well in times of war, for His divine guidance. The fifth fold is a tribute to our country. In the words of Stephen Decatur, our country, in dealing with other countries, may she always be right, but it is still our country, right or wrong. The sixth fold is for where our hearts lie. It is with our hearts that we pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The seventh fold is a tribute to our armed forces, for it is through the armed forces that we protect our country and our flag against all enemies, whether they be found within or without the boundaries of our republic. The eighth fold is a tribute to the one who entered into the valley of the shadow of death, that we might see the light of day, and to honor our mother for whom it flies on Mother's Day. The ninth fold is a tribute to womanhood. It has been through their faith, love, loyalty, and devotion that has modeled the character of men and women who have made this country great. The 10th fold is a tribute to the Father, who has also given his sons and daughters for the defense of our country since he or she was first born. The 11th fold represents the lower portion of the seal of King David and King Solomon and glorifies the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. The 12th fold, an emblem of eternity and glory, and glorifies God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. The 13th and last fold, when the flag is completely folded, the stars are uppermost, reminding us of our national motto, "In God We Trust." After the flag is completely folded and tucked in, it has the appearance of a cocked hat, ever reminding us of the soldiers who served under General George Washington and the sailors and Marines who served under Captain John Paul Jones and were followed by their comrades and shipmates in the U.S. Armed Forces, preserving us for the rights, privileges, and freedoms we enjoy today.
Thank you.